Hi guys. Watch in this video. How to make Lightning McQueen replica and fiberglass body kit car from car buck files. Need electronic drawings and paper printer or CNC laser machine. Then need to make car buck sections from wood board. After that, need to assemble the sections one after another to get a whole skeleton of the future car body. Then need to fill the space between the sections with foam or something else suitable. After drying, need to remove the excess foam that sticks out between the ribs of the sections. After that, need to cover the layout with putty in several layers. Then need to bring the surface of the layout to the ideal before working with fiberglass. Someone covers the layout with epoxy resin and someone paint. After preparing the surface of the layout to the ideal, work with resin and glass fiber is carried out to make a finished fiberglass body, future kit car. There is nothing difficult in this. The main thing is to do everything in stages and then everything will work out. As a result, our client have a Lightning McQueen fiberglass body that can be installed on a suitable donor car or on a frame. A similar project can be used for an adult as well as for a child on a reduced scale. Also, this project can be used as a layout and show car for the exhibition. As I said, the main thing is to do everything in stages and then you will be able to make the car of your dreams, just like my client, who had no such experience before meeting me. If you need digital car buck files, then
Welcome.